Hey there, fellow gardeners. Are you tired of battling that stubborn clay soil in your backyard? You know the type, hard as a rock when dry and sticky like glue when wet. Well, I have some exciting news that's going to change your gardening game forever. Say goodbye to that frustrating clay soil and hello to the magic of mushroom compost. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, mushroom compost? Really? Let me tell you why this stuff is the secret sauce for transforming your garden soil. Mushroom compost is packed with organic matter and nutrients that are perfect for breaking up that compacted clay. It's like giving your soil a makeover, turning it into a fluffy, rich paradise for your plants. First things first, let's talk about what mushroom compost actually is. It's the byproduct of mushroom farming, and it's full of all the good stuff your garden craves, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Plus, it's super eco-friendly because it's made from recycled materials. So, you're doing something good for the planet while giving your garden the boost it deserves. Now, you're probably wondering how to get started. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Begin by spreading a generous layer of mushroom compost over your clay soil. You want about 3 to 4 inches thick. Next, grab a garden fork or a tiller and work that compost into the top 6 to 8 inches of your soil. This helps to mix it thoroughly, breaking up those stubborn clay clumps. After you've mixed it in, give your soil a good watering to help everything settle and activate those nutrients. You'll be amazed at how quickly your soil starts to transform. Gone are the days of struggling to dig a hole or watching your plants suffer from poor drainage. With mushroom compost, your soil becomes a welcoming home for roots to spread and flourish. And here's a little bonus tip, mushroom compost also helps with water retention. That means less watering for you, more sustainability for your garden, and healthier plants all around. It's a win-win-win. Now, let's hear from some folks who've tried this magic elixir in their own gardens. Meet Sarah from Ohio, who says, "I was ready to give up on my vegetable garden because the clay soil was just too hard to manage. But after adding mushroom compost, my veggies are thriving like never before." And then there's Mike from Texas, who shares, "The difference in my flower beds is incredible. The soil feels so much lighter, and my blooms are more vibrant than ever." So, there you have it, mushroom compost is the gardening hack you never knew you needed. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this is one trick you don't want to miss. Give it a try, and watch your garden transform before your eyes. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your own success stories in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Let's make those gardens grow and flourish together. Happy gardening!